Ever tried to make an AI video only to get lost in installs or stuck paying endless subscription fees? What if you could skip all of that and just start creating? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Promptus, set up ComfyUI the easy way, and generate your first Wan 2.2 video using CosyFlows. Promptus with ComfyUI lets you generate unlimited, privately, and locally. You can get everything in one bundle, ComfyUI and CosyFlows. Create AI videos, images, 3D, and more running offline on your own PC. One license, easy install, just you, your ideas, and a tool that's ready when you are. Once downloaded, open the Promptus app and log into your account. Inside Promptus, go to the Profile tab and click Open Manager. This launches P Manager. Think of P Manager as a control center. It manages ComfyUI, your GPU server, CosyFlows, installed models, AI Horde, and more. To start, click Install, ComfyUI Server. Promptus automatically handles the Python, the dependencies, and all the setup in the background. Next, let's install a CosyFlow. CosyFlows are pre-built workflows, like ready-made recipes, so you don't have to wire nodes manually. Today, we'll download the Wan 2.2 5 billion parameter workflow. Once installed, restart your CosyFlow server in P Manager. Now, the Wan 2.2 CosyFlow is available in your playground. In Playground, select the Wan 2.2 CosyFlow. Here, you can adjust parameters like duration, size, and strength. Let's try a simple text-to-video prompt. I'll type, "a cat walking in the streets of Paris." Then hit generate. Notice, no downloading models, no wiring nodes. The CosyFlow handles it all. In minutes, your first AI video is ready. You can save it to your collection, download it locally, or publish it to your Promptus gallery to share it with the community. And that's it. You've installed Promptus, you've set up ComfyUI without the headaches, and you've generated your first Wan 2.2 video. If you want to go further, check out the Wan 2.2 prompt guide linked below, with examples you can copy into your CosyFlow. For more Promptus with ComfyUI workflow tutorials, hit the subscribe button. We would love to see what you're creating.